Here's to the crazy ones, to the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They are not fond of rules, and they have no respect for state quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you cannot do is ignore them, because they change things. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swati Iyer from Chennai. My due salutations to everybody, the elite and cream of Indian intelligence. I feel highly honored and privileged to speak before such an august audience. As we all know, we have gathered here for the 4th Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. This is one of the unique, non-political platform initiated by Mr. Rahul V. Karad in 2011. The main objective behind the concept of Indian Students' Parliament is to create platform for young student leaders. It aims at sensitizing regional, national, and global issues, foster brotherhood and mutual understanding, to inculcate democratic outlook, and to initiate a process to attain equality and social harmony. As very rightly quoted by Rachel Jackson, our youth are not following the system. Rather, our system is following our youth. The very youth who are being treated the worst are the young people who are going to take us and lead us out of this nightmare. With this strong belief, we all have gathered here because we all know the youth today is very intelligent and enlightened in most areas unthinkable by most of the people. We all believe that somehow we are not prepared to be in the proximity of 1,000-old Egyptian mummies. We are the present, we are the future. We, the self-esteemed bunch of people, need food and basic needs and reasonable cost. Mind it, not for free as charity. I am sure here we are with just one dream, and that is to see India as the superpower. Personally, this is my 3rd time I am being a part of Students' Parliament. The first time I came here, I realized the importance and potential of youth. I realized that rather than cribbing about the issues around and blaming it on the government, if we just consider ourselves as the future of nation and act little more responsibly, the day is not far when ours would be among the most developed countries of the world. Frankly speaking, we need not be in politics to change our country. All that we can do is actually understanding our duties and behave like citizens, and not mere the WhatsApp and Facebook generation of our country. Like, I am a doctor, so what I can do is basically try to prevent the malpractices of our society. I sincerely hope that after a 3-day session of peak adrenaline rush to change the notion, as we all head to our lives, we make sure that maybe in our own little ways, we do take some initiative in bringing a revolution in our country. I would now sign off with just one question to all of you. We all benefit by having young people exposed to the way things are done in democratic society. Isn't it the time to actually tap the power of youth? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया स्वाति। स्वाति ने कुछ प्रण लिए हैं और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ऐसे ही प्रण हमारे भारतीय छात्र नेता और भी लेंगे। अभिनंदन करेंगे हम इस मंच से स्वाति का। राहुल कराड जी इस युवा छात्र नेत्री का यहाँ पर भारतीय छात्र संसद के मंच से आप सबके आशीर्वाद और तालियों के साथ यहाँ पर अभिनंदन करेंगे। स्वाति अय्यर।